In this video we will discuss about the reproductive isolation. This reproductive isolation, it is one of the type of isolation which involved in modern synthetic theory. Reproductive isolation, it is one of the type of isolation. In this, what happened, this reproductive isolation occurs due to the change in genetic material and as well as in the gene pool and the structure of genital organ. Means in that these three factors are responsible for reproductive isolation. Which factor? That is genetic material, gene pool and structure of genital organ. It prevents the interbreeding between the population. म्हणजे हे जे फॅक्टर्स आहे याच्यामुळे काय होतं आहे, इंटरब्रीडिंग जे आहे ते होणार नाही. म्हणून इथे आपण सांगितलेलं आहे की रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह आयसोलेशन ऑकर्स ड्यू टू द change in genetic material, gene pool and structure of genital organ, and it prevents the interbreeding between the population. Gene pool means what? That is the population are made up of the members of the same species that interbreed. म्हणजे असं पॉप्युलेशन किंवा असे एक स्पेसिस ॲनिमल स्पेसिस की जे सेम असेल आणि त्याच्यामध्ये इंटरब्रीड्स होईल. ओके, पॉप्युलेशन आर मेड अप ऑफ द member of same species. There are two types of the isolating mechanism. One of the type is pre-mating isolating mechanism. Pre-mating, it is also called as the pre-zygotic isolating mechanism, and this mechanism prevent the fertilization and zygote formation. The second type, that is the post-mating isolating mechanism. This post-mating isolating mechanism, it is also called as the post-zygotic barrier. This post-zygotic barrier, which also include the different three types. Okay, now firstly we will discuss about the pre-mating isolating mechanism. This pre-mating isolating mechanism having different types, and the first type, that is the habitat isolation. Habitat isolation means what? It is also called as the ecological isolation. Means what happen here, that is the members of population living in the same geographic region but occupy different or separate habitat so that the potential mate do not meet. Means habitat is different, एक स्पेसिस सेम आहे पण त्याची जे हॅबिटॅट आहे ती डिफरंट आहे. त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार, या दोघांमध्ये मीटिंग होणार नाही किंवा इंटरब्रीडिंग होणार नाही, क्रॉसिंग होणार नाही. सो दॅट वी आर कॉल्ड ॲज द हॅबिटॅट आयसोलेशन. हॅबिटॅट आयसोलेशन मीन्स वॉट? देअर हॅबिटॅट विच इज डिफरंट ऑफ द members of population which is living on a same geographic region but occupy the separate habitat. Due to this reason, the mating is not possible. You can see here in this slide, that is species is same but their habitat is different. ओके, म्हणजे दोन वेगळे आपल्याला स्पेसेस सेम दिसत आहे फ्रॉकचे, पण ते एक तर एक जमिनीवर दिसत आहे आणि एक वॉटरमध्ये दिसत आहे, म्हणजे त्याचे हॅबिटेट काय आहे, डिफरंट आहे. ड्यू टू दिस रिझन रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह आयसोलेशन विच इज डन. ओके, the second type of the pre-mating or pre-zygotic isolating mechanism, that is seasonal, or it is also called as a temporal isolation, in which what happened, that is the members of a population living in a same geographic region but are sexually mature at a different years or different times of the years. म्हणजे याचा जो सीझन असणार तो कसा असणार आहे, वेगवेगळा असेल. त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार की या दोघांमध्ये मीटिंग होऊ शकणार नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, यू कॅन सी हिअर द वूड फ्रॉग अँड द लेपर्ड फ्रॉग. आता वूड फ्रॉग जो आहे, you can see here in this slide, wood frog, it is usually mates in a late March or early April when water temperature is about 7.2 degrees Celsius. ठीक आहे, या पिरियड्समध्ये तो मेटिंग दाखवेल. त्याच्यानंतर लेपर्ड फ्रॉग जो आहे, इट इज युजली मेट्स इन द मिड एप्रिल वेन वॉटर टेम्परेचर इज 12.8 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. म्हणजे पहा, यांचं जे सीझन जे आहे, म्हणजे टायमिंग म्हणा किंवा इयर म्हणा, हे कसं आहे, वेगवेगळं आहे. म्हणून आपण सांगत आहोत की दिस सीझनल आयसोलेशन, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द means what? Seasonal isolation, the members of this population which is attain the sexual maturity at the different time so that it prevent the interbreeding. The next type, that is the ethological isolation. Ethological isolation, it is also called as the behavioral isolation. Behavioral isolation, in which what happen, due to the specific mating behavior the members of population do not mate. म्हणजे त्यांचं जे मेटिंग बिहेवियर आहे ते डिफरंट असणार, मग त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार, तिथे त्यांचं मेटिंग होऊ शकणार नाही. दॅट इज इवन इफ दे ब्रीड ॲट द सेम टाईम, they will not mate if they are not attracted to one another. So that it is one of the type of reproductive isolation, that is ethological isolation. Means what? That is members of two population have different mating behaviors and this prevent the interbreeding. The next type, that is mechanical isolation. Mechanical isolation, in which what happen, that is members of two population having different in a structure of reproductive organ, so that due to this reason interbreeding is not possible into that of the species. Second type of the reproductive isolation, that is post mating or post zygotic barrier. Post mating or post zygotic barrier, which contains different three types, that is the first is gamete mortality, second one is the zygote mortality, and third one is the hybrid sterility. Gamete mortality, in which what happen, that is gamete mortality, that is gametes have a limited lifespan due to one or other reason. If union of two gametes does not occur in a given time, it results in the gamete mortality. Means what? That is the sperm is transferred takes place but egg is not fertilized, called as the gamete mortality. If sperm and egg fail to unite, then fertilization will be unsuccessful. जर स्पर्म आणि एगचं फ्युजन झालं नाही तर तिथे काय होणार की फर्टिलायझेशन होणार नाही. ओके, इवन इफ मेटिंग ऑकर्स, द स्पर्म ऑफ वन स्पेसिंग मे नॉट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव इन अ रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ट्रॅक्ट ऑफ अनदर स्पेसिस. नेक्स्ट टाइप, that is zygotic mortality, in which what happened, that is egg is fertilized but zygote is dies due to one or the other reasons. Means in that mating and fertilization are possible, mating पण होईल आणि fertilization पण होणार, but in this condition there is genetic differences which is result in a zygote that is unable to develop. म्हणजे zygote develop होणार नाही. म्हणजे इथे egg is fertilized but zygote which is not developed, which is seen into the zygote mortality. Last type of the post mating barrier, that is hybrid sterility. Hybrid sterility, in which what happen, that is hybrid develop to maturity but become sterile due to failure of proper gametogenesis. Means gametogenesis, in that the meiosis which is failure. For example, mule, it is an intergeneric hybrid which is sterile in nature. Means this is one of the example. Mule formed due to the mating of horse and donkey forms the mule and it called as the hybrid.